Hello everyone, welcome back to Studio 64. So today in this video I'm going to be trying something brand new that I've never done before, and that is going to be painting these brand new custom Lego guns I got recently. So these are already really cool, but I thought it would be really nice to do some sort of Call of Duty style camos on them, some different colours. So you can see I've got some colours there in the background waiting. By the way guys, if you're new around here and you haven't yet subscribed, then make sure you do so you don't miss out on loads more Lego customizing content. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So to start off, we're going to start with this pistol because I've never done this before and I want to give it a little try out first. I might clean up a little bit. You can see there's a tiny little bit on the end there. Just going to cut that off, but yeah, and then I'm going to get started with the painting. So to prepare the pistol, that's kind of hard to say. So to prepare the pistol, I'm going to be using some masking tape just to cover over the handle and the trigger area. That way I can add the camo without kind of having to worry about avoiding those areas. So I'm going to do that now. So there we are, I've prepared the pistol for painting. So yeah, the pistol's ready now, and yeah, time to paint it. So I think I'm going to base coat the pistol in this colour, and then I'm going to use the Caribbean 64 colour and the King's Gold colour. And I'm going to do some splashes on there, so that should look pretty nice. So here we have our base coat painted onto the gun. It looks really nice and yeah, really clean, and I've managed to keep all the details by using thin layers of paint. So I'm really pleased with how that's turned out, and now I'm going to use the Caribbean paint and do some kind of splodges, I guess. So here we have our little blue splodges, and I think that looks pretty nice. Okay, so the final step we're going to do is going to be a pretty fun one, and we're going to use some of the yellow paint, and we're kind of going to splatter it onto the gun. I think that would look really nice. Okay, so there it is, it's looking so nice, and now the big reveal where I'm going to take the masking tape off. Okay, here we go, the big reveal. Oh, that looks really nice. Oh, that looks very snazzy. Very nice indeed. So there we have our first pistol. So I think I'm just going to clean up slightly with the craft knife, but yeah, other than that, it looks really nice. So now I think next I'm going to do it on a slightly larger gun and see how that looks. I think this is going to be really cool. So for our next gun, I think I'm going to go for this. It's an SMG. I think it's an MP5. I'm not really a gun nerd, but I'm pretty sure this is an MP5. But yeah, so this is what we're going to be painting next. So here is our MP5 all prepared. That took me way too long, but it's finally done. And so now it's time to add the colors. So I'm going to give this one a base color of white, and then I'm going to add some more colors on top of that. So what I'm thinking now is I'm going to get some a few different colors, and then I'm going to do sort of different watered down versions so they kind of mix into each other. I think that could look really nice, so let's give it a go. Here's what I've come up with. I think it looks pretty good. It's not as good as the first one, I don't think, but it still looks really nice. So now I'm going to take off the masking tape and see how it looks. There's one bit off. Oh, here we go. I got the whole magazine cover. Oh wow, that looks really nice. Right, let's get that handle off. There we are, looking really nice actually. So there we are, looking really nice. And here's this last one on a figure. So that just about wraps up this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope this helps you make your own custom guns and stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.